Hello, welcome to ruGhost, or like GNU Ghost or whatever it is. So, I'm just going to tell you like how to train GNU Ghost model or how to use it in your projects and all those things. So, what we are doing is you can access GNU Ghost code in GitLab. So, like you can go here gitlab.com/GNU and in that you can find this thing called code, right? And in that there's a thing called ruGhost. So this is Ruby Ghost, that is like Ghost for autocompleting Ruby, and possibly you can just find it over here. I've uploaded it in Internet Archive, right? So that's how it is. And yeah, so okay, so possibly you can use this torrent to get it, or can go to its parent directory. Okay, I think I need to put this one in the markdown file. Let me just correct it, right? So, okay, so this is one of, I think this is the third release of GNU Ghost. Okay, so I will put other models. I just want to put the latest model so that it looks more accurate or something like that, right? So, yeah. So you can just download the torrent and possibly download it and all those things. And what you can do is like you can you what I would say is like you just rename the folder as ruGhost or something like that. That is Ruby Ghost or something like that. And there is a code called improvement.py. Even if you just go and see here, there is a code called improvement.py. Okay, so this code needs to be run so that it gets strict. Okay, so before that, how we gather data, I just want to tell you, right? So right. So for that, there is this folder called data, and in that there is a shell script where you can clone all these projects. Okay, so that's how it is. And okay, let's say I just want to uh, clone another project for GNU that is called as Hanami. Okay, so and I just only clone up to a depth of one because why do I need all those Git history? This is just to train a neural network, right? So now I've just done it. So what I can just do is like I can just what to say, go to this code. Ruby Ghost, okay, and then what I can just do is like I can run this file, right? Okay, so this clones this project. Okay, so it's cloning into a folder called Hanami, and I don't know how long it's going to take. Uh, so yeah, let it get cloned. Okay, so while I modify this file, I think it got cloned. Okay, I think it got cloned. Okay, so and if you look at the folder structure over here, like over here in data, there should be a thing called Hanami. GH, yeah, there is Hanami, and this contains all the Hanami project files and all those stuff. Okay, so that's the thing, right? So now what I need to do is like I need to know what are all the files are there. Okay, so for that, what I can just do is like over here in this project, if you look at the README, I would have told how to build data. Okay, so first I did this cloning of projects. Next, I'm going to find all Ruby files and put it in a file called allrubyfiles.txt. Okay, so that's what I'm just going to do, right? Okay. Okay, so now this all Ruby files will contain lot of Ruby files, right? So like if you want, we can inspect it. Ruby files. So list of all the Ruby files in all the projects over here, right? All the clone projects over here, right? So that's how it is. But since I am a Ruby developer, I know that okay, there will be files called schema.rb and they are not important and they are just system generated, right? Look, all this stuff. Okay, so I need to remove this stuff. Okay, so what I'm just doing is like I'm just using a sed command over here. So and then to put it in a file called without.txt. So okay, and now I'm just removing this all ruby files.txt, and now I'm just renaming this without.txt to all ruby files.txt, right? I've just kept this name all ruby files.txt for my case. Like you can have a whatever file name you want. Okay, so now what I can just do is like okay, I can just look at how many lines are there, right, in all ruby files, and looks like there is 81,551 lines. Sorry, how many yeah, there are like 81,551 lines. That means like there is 81,551 files that are there to train GNU Ghost. Okay, so that's the thing. So how to train it? Okay, so to train it, there is this file called improvement.py. Usually I just train it with 350 or 450 files a day. So but now just for demo I'm just going to do with 5 files. Okay, so yeah, so what I'm just doing is like okay, I think I need to change my environment. Okay, okay, so yeah, this is a Python environment which I'm changing, not specifically related to Ghost, but yeah, so that's the thing. And now I'm just running this program, Python improvement.py. Okay, so this trains GNU Ghost. Okay, so it all depends on the luck. If some big files have been selected, maybe it will take a lot of time to train. Otherwise, it won't. Okay, so now looks like okay, it is found a very big file, and so it's going to take a lot of time to train. And the file name, what is the file name? I'm unable to find it. No idea which file is getting trained. Oops. So this is going to take some time to train. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, if it takes a lot of time, I will cut it out in all those video editing stuff so that like you people can say yeah, and all this new files are getting trained really fast. Okay, now it's been training with this thing like in a project called Zaman, and it's training with a file called to say agent ticket overview level 0 test. I don't know what it means, but yeah, looks like it's going to take some time to train. So like maybe I'll be cutting this stuff out. Maybe I should have kept just 2 files. Okay, let it go, let it go. What to do now? Shall I launch some copyrighted video or something like that from YouTube so that like I get sued for distributing it? Okay, I think 4 files got trained. Okay, so I think this is the 5th one. So 5 random files get selected from all those like 81,500 files. 5 random files get selected and gets trained. Hopefully the model should get better, or maybe worse. I'm not sure. Right. So, come on, fast. Oh, another one. I think this is the last file. Hopefully, hentai foundry test. The file name is. I need to see what this project don't brew is, right? Okay, so it just trained 5 files. Okay, so that's the thing. And finally it gets saved to this, it just overwrites this folder like ruGhost and all those stuff. Okay, So what I can do is like I can just put this file like testing and all those things. So now let me just run this file. Okay, so restart kernel and run all sets. So okay, so this is the output it's giving. Like, yeah, the output is not ideal. Okay, but the thing is, it's kind of okay. Like, maybe it's improving, sometimes it's not, and all those stuff. I'm not sure. So let me test it with some other stuff. Okay, so uh, okay, ah, yeah, cat.new one. I don't know why it says like that. Sometimes I got a perfect cat.new, that is capital CAT.new and nothing else. Okay, so let me run it on again. Okay, cat.new end true true. Okay, so yeah, now nothing, right? Yeah, cat.new. Yeah, this looks more like okay, what you expect over here, right? So maybe you can autocomplete it and just remove this class off. Okay, so that's the thing, right? And okay, so this I think should work. Okay, like hello world, this has been working all the while, but sometimes it doesn't work. Okay, so like all I'm just looking is for autocomplete word to appear. Okay, so that's the thing. Nothing now, nothing once again, right? Okay, let me increase it. I don't know what this temperature means and all those stuff, right? So, but if I increase it, okay, I'm just getting some prediction, even if it's not right. Okay, look, yeah, it's not right, but I'm getting some prediction, right? Sometimes I used to get perfect world. I don't know why. Yeah. So look, world is there. Sometimes I just got world, and sometimes I just got world with what to say this double quote sign and all those stuff. Right? Very perfect. And I don't know why so it changes and all those stuff, but it does. Uh, so I'm not a real neural network expert, though I've done projects with PyTorch and all those stuff. I've somehow managed to do it. So now, yeah, now it's getting more crazy, right? It behaves something like a human, right? Like sometimes okay, sometimes not okay. So that's how it is. Okay, so this is how it just goes. Okay, and this one is almost never correct. Okay, and yeah, let me just try this one. Sum of numbers. Okay, so I'm just expecting is like look, I just gave this thing. It takes this array of numbers. Now sum of array of numbers. I've just given a comment. So I just want that line to be completed, like something like one array of numbers dot inject plus or something like that. Okay, so uh, no, this one almost never works. Okay, so so that's how it is. Okay, so let me just put it like okay. Let me just give it more hint. Okay, sum of array of numbers. Sum of array of numbers. Okay, so if I just put like okay, like uh, sum of array of numbers dot inject, and then if I just put let's see whether it has learned something or not. No, it hasn't. No, I just wanted to autocomplete it like no, I just wanted to autocomplete it like okay, like inject plus and something like that, but of course it's not doing right. So after giving something, even if it doesn't give this end round braces, no, it's not good. It's not good enough for this one. But yeah, maybe with training it might get better or worse or something. So what I'm just doing is like each and every ruGhost costs around about like 500 MB or something like that. Okay, so 525.7 MB or something like that. Okay, so that's the thing. And so I'm hosting this file in archive.org. Okay, so and yeah, and what I'm just doing is like I'm just adding it over here in releases. So the topmost will be the recent most one. Okay, so that's the thing. And yeah, so that's how I'll just keep doing. By mistake, I just added it in my account. So I need to log into ruGhost account and I need to add it. But yeah, anyway, like you people can just download it. So not at all a problem, right? So yeah, there is a ruGhost account in archive.org, right? So Yeah, so that's how it is. Okay, so from now I'll just keep uploading in this account, and so you people can access it. Okay, so that's how it is. Till now there are three models that's been done, but only one I've just released. Okay, so other that is the latest I've just released, so that's this one. Others also, yeah, I'll just upload. So all you just need to do is like follow this video, and then possibly even follow the tutorials over here. Like this is the initial tutorial for GNU Ghost. Oh, sorry, this one, right? GPT Neo made easy. Okay, so this is the initial tutorial. I just googled and I just got it, and I just studied about this GPT Neo, and I was able to do it. Okay, so that's how it is. I use Apple M1. Maybe it's the most efficient laptop processor or something. I'm not sure, but I think it should also work on Intel and AMD with more power and all those stuff. Okay, that is like it'll consume more power or something. Apart from that, it should work, and it is this project is very very achievable. And if you have any doubts or something regarding this project, how to uh, go on with it, if you want to do it like a college project or something like that, do contact me. I might not respond very quickly. I'm not good at responding. I think my internet is gone. Oh god. Peril of living in India. Okay, fine. Okay, good. My internet is gone. I need to start working. God. Okay, very nice. Okay. So there is this website called ruGhost.gitlab.io, and that's how it is. And do try to contribute either with work, or possibly if you are able to contribute with money, I'll be very happy. I have a lot of plans for GNU Ghost, or if somebody is ready to sponsor, corporates are ready to sponsor, still I'm very very happy. So that's how it is. So anyway, this is a video that says okay how to train ruGhost or Ruby Ghost, and maybe how to use it for your upcoming projects or something like that. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope it was useful for you. Bye.